Good morning, YouTubers. Today it is Wednesday, the 7th. Still no sun, nothing but rain. This is the fifth day. Still holding on. Number 6. 6 days, no sun, no wind. Everything seems to be okay so far. We'll see how long this thing will hold. Go outside, take a look outside. Still dark. It's early in the morning, but it doesn't look like it's gonna have any sun. Look like it's gonna be cloudy for what the news says, and probably some more rain. Oh, just a little touch up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. That helps a little bit. And have a good Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of the week. And let's see if we get some sun out here. Over here, South Texas. And man, we miss the sun. But have a good one. Bye.